Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of October the 30th through November the 4th, 2021. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop at Martin's. We have the same deals, but not always. So make sure you're checking your own ads and prices in store before you do these exact same deals. And I was also working toward an Ibotta bonus. So some of these deals aren't necessarily great deals unless you're also working toward that. I have a $5 weekend bonus and a $10, I forget what it's called, but I'm about more than halfway through both of those. So anyway, I'll probably go back on Sunday and just grab some repeat deals just to finish off the bonus. So let's go ahead and get into these. I will have the breakdowns in the description box below if I didn't already say so. Arm & Hammer is $2.50, definitely not the best deal, but my mother-in-law asked me to grab some. So if you absolutely need it, not a bad price, but I personally would not pay for that for myself. The Welches juicefuls, they're $2.39, not on sale. However, I had a 50-cent printable that doubled. Ibotta gave me back 50 cents, so it's 89 cents, but it's working toward both of those bonuses, so it's good enough deal for me. The Post cereal, I absolutely love this cereal. It's probably my favorite, even though I don't eat much cereal. It's $2.50 on sale. Ibotta's giving back 75 cents. I think it's a limit of 5, but I'll just do a repeat deal on Sunday if it resets for me. So it's $1.75. Again, another Ibotta rebate that I was working toward. The Lysol Wipes, I was super excited to grab these guys. They're like $5.18, I believe, $5.19 a pack. They're on sale 2 for $4, which is a good enough deal there. I had $1 off of 2 and a 50-cent off of 1 digital coupon. They stacked together, so I only paid $2.50 or only $1.25 a piece. That is a great deal for some Lysol wipes there. So grab those and keep those in your stockpile for the flu season coming up. I think you'll be glad you did. The International Delight, my absolute favorite coffee creamer. I went ahead and grabbed 5 of these. I thought about doing this deal again on my other card, but I did Splenda, so I think I'm going to pass on it. But anyway, spend $15, save $5. Grab 5 of them at $3. I had $1 off of 2 digital coupon that I completely forgot about. So that was great. So I only paid $9 or $1.80 a piece. This is my favorite, and I will willingly pay $2 a bottle. So I was glad to get that deal. Now, if you have an International Delight account, you get $1 off printables. I pretty much always max those out and print them off as soon as possible. And they only give us new ones. I think it's like 3 times a year, maybe 4 times it seems like. So I don't have any available for me, but maybe you do, something to check into. This Lipton Tea, it's $2.19. It's not on sale, but $1 on Ibotta. So $1.19. My husband likes that stuff. It's a good enough deal for me. Also working toward Ibotta bonus. So the Musselmans, again, I bought a bonus. This guy here is $1.89 and the packs are $2 on sale. Ibotta's giving back 50 cents on each of them. So it makes them $1.50. And then this guy here would be $1.39. But I bought a bonus, so it's good enough deal. The Wonder is $2.99 and I had a 50-cent digital and $1.50 on Ibotta. So it's a cost of 99 cents. Working toward my bonus there. Sabra, I am so excited about this. I love hummus. So it's $1.99 with the in-ad coupon. I had contacted them and told them how much I love their hummus. So they mailed me some coupons. They mailed me a 55-cent coupon that I used that doubled. So it was only a cost of 89 cents. The Betty Crocker, guys, this is a great deal if you're a baker. I'm like a bake from scratch person, but I use cake mixes and brownie mixes all the time to save on time and measuring, and so I can include my kids and make it easy. There's a ton of recipes you can use with cake mix. I have a bunch on my channel. If you're interested, I'll try to remember to link some of them down below. But anyway, guys, they're only $1, and it's not just sometimes it's only the favorites, like the vanilla or the chocolate, but they're also including, let's see, they're called Delight. So I got lemon, carrot, butter, there's brownies, vanilla, like the red velvet. It's almost all included. Just be careful because some of the brownies are $2.50. Some of the cake mixes I think are $2, I think. So just be careful what you're grabbing. But anyway, they gave us a 5 off of 10. You need to grab 10 of them and it will come off as a personal discount at the end of your receipt. It won't attach to one of the items like we normally see it. So look for it there if you're checking your receipts. So $1, grab 10 of them. So it's $10, the $5 instant savings. Well, it's personal discount, but the 5 out of 10 coupon comes off just fine. So it's a cost of $5 or only 50 cents a piece. However, it's also part of a deal. Spend $10, you get back 10 times the points, which is only $1. I don't know why they don't just say it's only 100 points, but whatever. So it's actually equal to $1. So you get an additional $1 back in points, making it only $4 or 40 cents a piece. You cannot beat that, guys. I was super excited to grab that deal. I will be set for the whole year. Usually I grab cake mixes around Thanksgiving when they have a sale, but unless it's free, I'm not going to be able to grab any because I have 10 of them here, and I did another 10 on my other card because I bake all the time, and it's just a great deal. I can't pass up on it. So the Welches soup is the 5-point freebie this week. If my husband doesn't want this, I'll pass it on to my mother-in-law. So definitely grab that if you're interested. I did redeem 100 of my choice points. You can get specialty salads. I love Caesar salads. I'm super excited to have this. We're going to have this for only 100 choice points, and it's a $3.50 item. That's a good enough deal for me. The tissues were $1 for everybody. However, I had an offer. It was 30 choice points back when you buy 2 of them. So it made $1.70 or only 85 cents a piece. And guys, you go to your choice points and go to earn points to find out what special offers they give you. My one card gets 1 offer every week, and it's something stupid that I've never purchased before. And my other card gets like 6 offers. I will occasionally use 1 of them. So I don't know where they came up with those. Those used to be really good, and they're just kind of pathetic. But anyway, good enough deal for me. I also had a spend $10 in meat, earn 40 choice points, which is 40 cents. And I found this, guys. I called my mom and grabbed her a pack as well. So these are regularly, they did mark it down to $3.29 a pack, so $20.30. However, look at this, guys. $11.57 it was marked down. I have to pack it up, and I'm pretty sure my husband got me a what are those pack and seal things for Christmas, because I've asked for one and I saw a big box come in the mail. But anyway, I think he got me one of those, so I thought about asking for it early, but I better just wait. Anyway, I was like, oh my word, I gotta call my mom. So I stuck 2 of them in my cart, and she's like, yes, get it for me. Always check your meat department if you purchase meat. I have not seen marked down beef in a long time. So this whole round, so these are like a big thing of roast. You have to buy the whole thing to get it at this price. But guys, look at this, $43.69, $6.99 a pound. It's on sale $2.99 a pound. We have not seen roast at $2.99 a pound, and I don't even know the last time. So grab it if you can. I took it to the butcher and the butchering department. I said, hey, can you cut this for 3 in 3 pieces? He's like, I have 2 hands. I certainly can. I was like, okay, thank you. I should have asked them to wrap it separately, but I forgot to say that. So he just put it in this package, but they will actually wrap it in plastic and paper and give it to you like that. So I should have asked for that, but that was my own fault. But anyway, they cut it for free in case you're like, I can't use all that. You can put it in your freezer individually. I'll probably actually cut some of these in chunks before I freeze it for beef stews and stuff like that. But you guys, $2.99, if you like roast, that is a stock up price. And I also had a 5 off of 35 purchase on one of my cards. An offer popped up this morning, so I clipped that digital offer, and I did get that that savings there. The Breyers, they're 2 for $6. I had $1 off of 2 digital. There's also an offer. I will try to link it down below. I don't know if it'll work for you if it was only for my phone number. You had to put your phone number in, and then they texted you an offer to a link. So I think you might have to do it that way. I don't know how I can find that. I know I've seen it popping around Instagram a little bit, so maybe I'll try to get a link off of there. But anyway, it's 2 for $6, and they're going to give you back half, or they're going to give you back the price of 1. So I don't know, guys, if they're going to give me back $3 or if they're going to give me back 2, but either way, it'll be a good enough deal. And it does go through PayPal or I think Venmo. You got to put your right email address in, so keep that in mind if you're wanting to do that. The last deal I did here was the buy 5, get back, I put 40, but it's supposed to be 400 points, which is equal to $4. So I was only able to grab 4 of these Splendas because my store only had 4 left. So anyway, they're $2.50, and I had trouble finding them, but they were in with the creamer, in with the International Delight Zero Sugar. So they were like right beside that. They do have another flavor, but this is the only thing my store had. So they're $2.50. I bought us giving back $1 on each of them. It's a limit of 5, but I was only able to submit it 4 times. And then the Save 926 has a $1.50 coupon in it. I was able to use 3 of those. They do expire on Sunday, keep in mind. And then I had to grab an additional item because you need to buy 5 things. So I grabbed this super coffee. I'll give it to my husband. He'll drink it. But for $2, there's a lot of other things you can choose from. But I just grabbed that as a filler-in item because I wanted to grab all the Splenda. So anyway, guys, after the coupons, after the Ibotta, after 400 points back, it's a moneymaker of 50 cents. It'll obviously be more if you have more saved coupons to use, or if you can grab 5 of them and get an additional $1 back on Ibotta. But either way, a really good deal. All right, guys, so that's it for this week. A lot more deals than I had anticipated. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.